Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. My previous video about the Airdots was the Redmi Airdots, but today let's look at the Xiaomi Airdots. Well, I managed to get the Xiaomi Airdots from AliExpress. The difference between the Xiaomi and the Redmi Airdots at a glance is the color. These are white in color while the Redmi were black in color. We will look at the differences about the two hopefully in another video. But for today, let's look at the Xiaomi Airdots. I got them from AliExpress for 32 bucks, but you can get them cheaper if you get them from China. Well, enough of that, let's proceed. We have the specifications at the back of the package, but it's all in Chinese. There's nothing really interesting around the package since everything is in Chinese, but we can proceed with the unboxing. Inside the package, we get the storage unit, which has the Mi branding and it's tiny. We get extra ear gels. This time we get a USB cable for charging the device. A user manual is also included, but it's also in Chinese like the previous model. You can't really tell the difference between the Redmi and the Xiaomi Airdots, since the size is pretty much the same with the exception of color. Here we have them side by side. The storage unit uses a normal micro USB pin for charging, and it has an LED to indicate charging. Anyway, now let's go back to the Xiaomi Airdots. The storage unit is pretty light, and inside the storage unit we have the earbuds. The earbuds are plastic built and feel very light. In terms of size, they are pretty much same as the Redmi Airdots. The earbuds have LED that indicate charging, and once you remove them from the storage unit, they enter pairing mode, which makes them easy to pair with your device. The difference comes here. The Xiaomi Airdots are equipped with voice assistant. It's a good thing, but it's in Chinese and you cannot change the voice assistant, at least for now. How about the sound quality? The overall sound quality is awesome and pretty loud, but not as loud as the Redmi Airdots. And the bass is not as deep as the Redmi Airdots, although they isolate well. By the way, they are rated at 4 hours of continuous music listening. The Xiaomi Airdots use touch control to pause and play music. So, would I recommend them? Sincerely speaking, no. Instead, get the Redmi Airdots. They are worth it compared to the Xiaomi Airdots. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.